Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OKX Wallet and fund via US bank transfer, full guide step by step clearly. To install OKX Wallet, start by opening the App Store on your device. Search for OKX Wallet in the search bar. Locate the official OKX Wallet application developed by OKX. Tap on the Install or Get button to download the app. Once downloaded, open the OKX Wallet application. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new wallet. Be sure to securely save your recovery phrase provided during setup. After completing the setup, you will be directed to the main wallet interface. To fund your wallet via US bank transfer, navigate to the deposit section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Choose the bank transfer option as your payment method. Enter the amount you want to buy. Proceed to confirm your transaction details and fees. You will be prompted to link your US bank account if you haven't already. Follow the instructions to connect your bank account securely. After linking, you will submit your transaction. Check your bank account to confirm the transfer has been initiated. Once the funds are confirmed, they will appear in your OKX wallet. You can now use your wallet for transactions or trading. Make sure to keep your wallet secure and back up any important information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.